What's good, YouTube? It's your host, the infamous Jerez, and you're now tuning in to the Infamous World Network. And without further ado, we're gonna get into another sneaker review this week. And before we get into the sneaker review, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The like helps the algorithm of the video get up and helps me get more views. And if you subscribe, that goes a long ways also. And make sure to comment anything you like about the video or anything you don't like so I can help my channel get better and help me grow. And also, just comment if you want to say what's up. I'm always in the comments. And last but not least, make sure to finesse the bell. When you ring the bell, you'll get a notification every time I have a new upload so you can stay up to date with my uploads. But let's get right into this.
You want to do a mic check real quick to see how you sound?
Mic check, mic check. 1 2 1 2. Infamous World, take one, take one.
Freestyle real quick.
Oh man.
Hit an infamous freestyle.
I don't got no freestyles on me.
It's okay, we'll work on it.
For today's episode, we're going to be reviewing the Air Jordan Cool Grey 3. This shoe released February 20th for $190 retail. The official color code for the shoe is silver, sport red, and graphite. This shoe, as soon as I seen images release of this shoe when it was supposed to come out, I was already fanboying over the shoe. This shoe originally came out the first time in 2007, so this retro in February 2021 is actually the second time the shoes ever came out. When the shoe came out in 2007, when I got into shoes in like 2011, the shoe was too hard to get and I was way too broke to get it. And I remember the Cool Grey 3 always being like one of my grails that I could never get my hands on because the shoe was already a little old, and once the shoe gets older, it gets harder to get the shoe. But this shoe is amazing. It sports a mainly upper of gray on the top. It has like a nice weathered gray all along the toe box and the uppers. The gray materials they used on the shoe this time are like so good. Like honestly, this shoe's really gonna stand the test of time, and that's really nice for Jordan brand because sometimes they're really off on their quality. But the shoe is basically, your regular Air Jordan 3, nothing too crazy. It has the mainly gray upper, and then it has the gray elephant print on the front toe box and on the back of the heel. Another nice little thing that makes the shoe pop is it has the red Jumpman on the tongue of the shoe, and it also has the red Jumpman on the heel. On the aglets of the sides of the shoes and the inside of the side, it has these like orange or kind of like a off gold kind of color to it. This pops really hard with the gray, and I'm a big fan of the contrast that it gives the gray. So the nice orange hits on the aglets are really dope. That's one of the best parts of the shoe. That orange or rust gold color is also on the back where it has the Jumpman logo. It has the Air in that color, so that's also really nice. The outsole of the shoe has a nice red hit of the Jumpman on the bottom. The outsole has has gray all along it with white hits here and white hits on the outsole as well. It has the white laces, can't go wrong with that. The sock liner of the shoe is white. We'll see how that lasts over time. Sometimes the white sock liner could get really dingy. I don't expect to beat mine up, so I guess I'll get lucky on that. The insole is white with a red Jumpman as well. The midsole is white with little hits of gray along the heel. The Air Jordan 3 is one of the best Air Jordans, so it's pretty hard to mess up. And the Cool Grey colorway was done very well in my opinion, which is amazing. I'm a big fan of the Cool Grey colorway. Cool Grey 3 colorway is one of the best Cool Grey colorways. I wouldn't say it's as good as the 11s or the 4s, but it is definitely a nice one, and it's not nothing to pass up on for me. This shoe was an instant cop for me. As soon as I seen the pictures and the release date, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna miss out on this release. And I'm very happy with my purchase. I'm very happy with the quality of the shoe. I think the shoe is very well built. I can't wait to put this shoe on and wear this shoe. This is one of my favorite threes. I'm very happy with this purchase. If you If you ended up getting the shoe, feel free to comment in the comment box and let me know your opinions on the shoe. Let me know what you think about the shoe, what they could have done better, what you don't like about the shoe. Personally, everything about this shoe for me is fire, and I do thoroughly enjoy this shoe. And with that being said, we're gonna wrap this episode up. Make sure, if you haven't already, to like, comment, and subscribe. Finesse the bell for future uploads so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, have a good day, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. It goes a long way that you spend some time here to hear me ramble about my passion about shoes. Peace out.